हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल बेंचमार्क स्टडी। आज हम करने वाले हैं मंथली एमसीक्यू सीरीज फॉर फरवरी पार्ट 1। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का सेशन। एंड वन मोर थिंग, अगर आपने चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलिएगा फॉर द फर्दर नोटिफिकेशंस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द टुडे सेशन। Question number 1 is, the Geological Survey of India has approved the setting up of India's first geopark at which of the following state? So here answer is option number B, that is at the Madhya Pradesh. Question number 2 is, recently which of the following state/UT celebrated two-day Spithu festival? So here answer is option number C, that is by the Ladakh. Question number 3 is, Torgia festival is celebrated in which northeastern state? So here answer is option number E, that is at the Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 4 is, according to Brand Finance annual report titled Global 500 2022, the annual report on world's most valuable and strongest brands, Dash is the world's most valuable brand in 2022. So 2022 में valuable brand कौन सा था? एप्पल. सो हेयर आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए. एंड जो सत्य नडेला है, जो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के सीईओ हैं, इन्होंने टॉप किया है ब्रांड फाइनेंस गार्जियनशिप इंडेक्स 2022 ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स टॉप 250 सीईओज में से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैज एक्सटेंडेड द टेन्योर ऑफ LIC, दैट इज लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन चेयरपर्सन बाय 9 months, दैट इज टिल March 13, 2022. Who is the current chairperson of LIC? So here answer is option number C, that is he is M.R. Kumar. Question number 6 is, Government of India approved the sale of approx 93.71% stake in Neelachal Ispat Nigam Limited to Dash at an enterprise value of rupees 12,100 crore. So here answer is option number B, that is at the Tata Steel Long Products. Question number 7 is, Sergio Mattarella has been re-elected as president of which country for the second term? So here answer is Italy. So option number E is the right answer. Question number 8 is, who won 21st Grand Slam men's single title at the first Grand Slam of 2022, that is Australian Open Tennis 2022? So here answer is Rafael Nadal. So option number C is the correct answer. Question number 9 is, recently in January 2022, Ben Cooper announced retirement from international cricket. He represented which country in international cricket? So इन्होंने represent किया है नीदरलैंड को. So option number D is the right answer. इसके साथ साथ ये represent कर चुके हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया, ये खेल चुके हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया, नीदरलैंड एंड एम्स्टरडम नाइट्स की तरफ से. Question number 10 is, who released the book title प्राकृतिक, वैदिक एवं जैविक खेती ग्रामीण उद्यमिता का नया स्वरूप? सो इट इज रिटन बाय द ऑप्शन नंबर सी, दैट इज मनोज सिन्हा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 इज, हु रोट द बुक टाइटल फियरलेस गवर्नेंस? सो इट इज रिटन बाय द किरण बेदी. सो ऑप्शन नंबर ई इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now question number 12 is, World Leprosy Day annually celebrated over the globe on? So it is celebrated on the 30th of January. So option number E is the right answer. Question number 13 is, when do we celebrate शहीदी दिवस annually in India? So शहीदी दिवस भी आपका 30 जनवरी को मनाया जाता है. So option number C is the correct answer. Question number 14 is, which organization signed an MOU with Goa Shipyard Limited to provide its techno-financial expertise to set up a rooftop solar power project? So here answer is option number D, that is with the Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited. Now question number 15 is, which ministry has notified scheme on enhancement of competitiveness in the Indian capital goods sector phase 2 for providing assistance to common technology development and services infrastructure with the outlay of rupees 1207 crore? So here answer is option number B, that is with the Ministry of Heavy Industries. Question number 16 is, recently in February 2022, Indian Armed Forces received the first batch of 70,000 AK-203 Kalashnikov assault rifle from which country? So here answer is option number D, that is from the Russia. Question number 17 is, National Commission for Women celebrated its 30th Foundation Day on Dash. So here answer is option number C, that is it is celebrated on 31st January 2022 and its theme was She the Change Maker. So आपको themes पता होनी चाहिए क्योंकि themes भी आपके questions में पूछी जा सकती है. Question number 18 is, where was the world's largest canal lock inaugurated in February 2022? So here answer is option number D, that is in the IJmuiden, Netherlands. Question number 19 is, identify the country that recently made announcement to launch world's first hydrogen project flying boat named the Jet. So your answer is option number B, that is the announcement is done by the UAE and जो ये बोट है ये रिलीज की जाएगी on COP28, ठीक है, COP28 जो होगा आपका दुबई में in 2023 में. Question number 20 is, which of the following statement are correct with respect to the RBI data on sectoral deployment of bank credit December 2021? So यहाँ पे 3 स्टेटमेंट है as usual. So आपको पहले go through करना है स्टेटमेंट्स को. तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट क्या कहती है? The bank's non-food credit registered a growth of 9.3% in December 2021 as compared to 6.6% in December 2020. Second statement, credit to agriculture and allied registered a robust growth of 14.5% in December 2021 as compared to 7.7% in December 2020. Third statement क्या कहती है? The bank's food credit registered a decline of 4.20% in December 2021 as compared to 10.80% in December 2020. So here answer is option number E, that is all the statements are correct. Question number 21 is, which bank signed an agreement with Tata Power Solar Systems for financing solar projects? So here answer is option number A, that is State Bank of India. Question number 22 is, as per the statement given by the SBI chairman Dinesh Kumar Khara, banks will be transferring dash NPA accounts worth over rupees dash crore by March 31st, 2022 to the National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited, that is NARCL. So here answer is option number B, that is 15 NPA accounts जिनमें कितने रुपीस 50,000 करोड़ होंगे ये ट्रांसफर किए जाएंगे. So option number B is the correct answer. Question number 23 is, which of the following statement are correct with respect to the data released by NSO, that is National Statistical Office? So again 3 statements are there. First statement says the Indian economy contracted by 6.6% in 2020-2021 as against the earlier estimate of 7.3% in May 2021. Second क्या कहती है? The NSO has also revised downward the real gross domestic product, that is GDP growth number from 2019-20 to 3.7% as against the earlier estimate of 4%. Now option number 3 says gross value added at basic prices has declined by 2.6% during 2020-2021 against the growth of 6.9% during the 2019-20. So यहाँ पे आपको correct statement पूछी गई है. So here answer is option number D, that is only first and second statement is correct. Third statement में क्या correction है? That is third statement यहाँ पे 1.6% होना चाहिए, that is 1.6% decline हुआ है during the 2020-2021. Question number 24 is, which organization signed an agreement with Hyperion Global Group to manufacture and supply Internet of Things devices for the US market? So it is done with the Bharti Electronics Limited. So option number B is the right answer. Question number 25 is, who became first Indian man to win World Games Athlete of the Year 2021 award? So ये award मिला है PR श्रीजीश को. So option number D is the right answer. And अगर इंडियन विमेंस हॉकी कैप्टन रानी रामपाल की बात करें तो 2020 में इन्हें पहली बार ये टाइटल दिया गया था. Question number 26 is, Indian Coast Guard Day is annually observed across the globe on, so ये आपका मनाया जाता है 1st of February को. Option number D is the correct answer. And इसका मोटो क्या है? Vayam Rakshamam, that is we protect. Question number 27 is, Dash edition of Asian Games 2022 is set to take place in Hangzhou, China, and Dash is set to be featured in the Asian Games after 11 years. So here answer is, ये edition है आपका 19th and cricket ऐसा game है जो 11 साल बाद फिर यहाँ पे feature किया गया है. So option number B is the correct answer. Question number 28 is, NPCI observed UPI Safety and Awareness Week on. So ये week है आपका 1st to 7th February. So option number E is the correct answer. Question number 29 is, Mandu festival is annually celebrated in which of the following state of India? So Mandu festival आपका मनाया जाता है मध्य प्रदेश में. So option number C आपका correct answer है. Question number 30 is Global Center of Excellence in Affordable and Clean Energy launched at which of the following institution? So here answer is option number B, that is IIT Dharwad. Question number 31 is which organization released the report titled Global Analysis of Healthcare Waste in the Context of COVID-19 Status, Impacts and Recommendations? So here answer is option number D, that is World Health Organization. Now question number 32 is which platform partnered with Simple to provide BNPL services to its merchants? So here our answer is option number A, that is Dukaan. Question number 33 is name the country that has inked pact with Sri Lanka for a $500 million credit line to help finance its fuel purchases. So here answer is option number C, that is India. Question number 34 is who wrote the book titled India, that is Bharat Coloniality, Civilization, Constitution? So here answer is option number D, that is J. Sai Deepak. Question number 35 is who won the ICC Spirit of Cricket Award 2021? So it is won by the Darley Michelle. So option number E is the right answer. Question number 36 is Games 24/7 appointed which Bollywood actor as the brand ambassador for Rummy Circle? So it is Hrithik Roshan. So option number B is the correct answer. And the new campaign का नाम क्या है? #रहो एक कदम आगे. Question number 37 is which country recently successfully test fired intermediate range ballistic missile Hwasong-12? So here answer is option number D. It is done by the North Korea. Question number 38 is Indian Navy successfully flight tested the marine version of French-made Rafale maritime fighter jets at shore-based test facility at Dash INS in Goa. So here answer is option number C. इसका नाम है INS Hansa. Question number 39 is recently in February, Mithali Raj has reached Dash rankings in the women's ODI batting ratings, whereas Dash topped the list. So जो मिथाली राज है इनकी आई है रैंक सेकेंड एंड जो जिन्होंने टॉप किया है इनका नाम है एलियासा हेली. सो ऑप्शन नंबर ई इज द करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 इज वर्ल्ड वेटलैंड डे इज एनुअली सेलिब्रेटेड अक्रॉस द ग्लोब ऑन. सो ये सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है 2 फरवरी को. सो ऑप्शन नंबर ई इज द करेक्ट आंसर. एंड इसका थीम क्या था? वेटलैंड्स एक्शन फॉर पीपल एंड नेचर. Now question number 41 is which bank signed MOU with Indira Gandhi National Centers for the Arts and National Cultural Fund for the development of Atmanirbhar Bharat Center for Design, that is ABCD at Red Fort? So here answer is option number C, that is it is done with the State Bank of India. Question number 42 is which organization signed contract with the Indian Army worth rupees 3,131.82 crore for the manufacturing and supply of Konkuras M anti-tank guided missile? So it is done with the Bharat Dynamics Limited. Question number 43 is identify the country that recently in February 2022 signed an interim agreement to confirm commitment to work on the mega astronomy project Square Kilometer Array Observatory, that is SAKO. So here answer is option number B, that is India. Question number 44 is identify the personality that recently felicitated the Beating Retreat drone light show startup which is conceptualized by Boatlab Dynamics Private Limited. So it is felicitated by the Jitendra Singh. So option number E is the correct answer. Question number 45 is which institute along with National Investment and Infrastructure Fund Limited to establish India's first research chair in environmental, social and governance, that is ESG. So here answer is option number A, that is IIM Ahmedabad. Question number 46 is which bank signed a $500 million line of credit agreement with the government of Sri Lanka to support the country to overcome its current fuel shortages? So here answer is option number D, that is Exim Bank. Question number 47 is which country signed MOU with India for the construction of a motorable bridge over the Mahakali River? So here answer is option number B, that is within Nepal. Question number 48 is name the general insurance company that has launched an AI, that is artificial intelligence powered voice vote for automated registration of motor claims. So your answer is option number D, that is Edelweiss General Insurance. Question number 49 is SEBI has reconstructed its dash member high power advisory committee on the settlement orders and compounding of offences and it will be chaired by dash. So ये 4-member committee है that will be headed by the Jay Narayan Patel. So option number B is the correct answer. Question number 50 is, and it is the last question. As per the domestic rating agency CRISIL report, India's GDP expected to grow at dash in financial year 23. So India की जो GDP है, it will be grow by 7.8% as expected by the agency. So option number E is the correct answer. So I hope guys आपको जो लेक्चर है मेरा वो अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड अगर आपको इस सेक्शन की पीडीएफ चाहिए तो ये भी आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दीजिएगा या आप मुझे मेल कर सकते हैं benchmarkstudy007@gmail.com पे, ताकि जल्दी ही मैं आपको जो ये पीडीएफ है एंड वीडियो के लिंक है वो शेयर कर पाऊँ टेलीग्राम चैनल पे. अगर आपने टेलीग्राम चैनल हमारा ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इसका लिंक दिया हुआ है, आप उसे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. तो गाइज मिलेंगे आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड हैव अ नाइस डे एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर प्रिपरेशंस.